We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here is an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. So, it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers. And this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Call us today at the number on your screen or visit us online. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.